Good afternoon, guys. Welcome to a lecture of Mr. K. First topic we'll be doing is simultaneous equation. Given equation 1 and equation 2, we both see that equation 1 and equation 2 have two unknowns. We cannot solve two unknowns with one equation, right? That is why there's a whole branch of topic called simultaneous equation. We need a third equation that is just gonna be at defining one variable from one equation. We have the benefit of choosing which equation we want to use. I am one of those people who like to choose the easiest one. So I'll choose the first one to define one unknown. So at least I can have one unknown to deal with. So I'll choose x equals to 4 minus y. So I just took the y to the other side. Now I've defined one variable. It's easy now. I can take this variable to one of the other equation, then solve for one unknown now. It's better, and it's always good to write sub 3 into 2. Now what you are doing by this is you are getting the lecture in your mind. You're letting them in, and the teachers, right? So now I'm gonna sub 3 to 2. Notice how why I chose 2, because I've already used equation 1 to define x. I cannot now put x again into equation 1. It wouldn't make sense, right? So now I have 3 to 2. So I say 2. I put 4 minus y plus y equals to 6. 4 minus y plus 2. So now I do substitution fast. So this is going to be 8. 2 times negative y is minus 2y plus y, right? This y that is outside. This is 24. This is minus 6y. And this is 2, right? So now my aim is to get the like terms into one side. Right? So that's minus 2y is going to be y. When I took the negative 6y to the other side, it becomes plus 6y. And then 24 plus 2 is 26. 26, and I took the 8 to the other side, is minus 8, right? So now this will give me 5y. This here will give me 18, right? I divide by 5, I divide by 5, right? And therefore y equals to 18 over 5. We are halfway. I'll call it equation 4. It's not really equation, but we've solved for y now, at least. So now we can use this y and substitute it in equation 3 and get x. That way we have solved two variables, the definition of a simultaneous equation. So now I'm going to come here. So this is going to be sub 4, which is your y that you just got. Don't get it confused. Into equation 3. This equation here, right? So equation 3 says x equals to 4 minus, what did we get for y? It's 18 over 5. 18 over who? 18 over 5. So now what we're going to do is find a common factor. You know, we don't use this, especially when you come to university first years, they don't want you to use this. But if you are still in metric, you are allowed to just punch this into the calculator. So let's just say you are in university first year and they don't want calculators. So I'll say 4 over 1 minus 18 over 5, right? Common factor times 5 times 5. This is going to be how much now? This is 20 on the top minus 18. Everything must be divided by 5. You see, now we are getting somewhere now. We are building up knowledge. We are building up knowledge. Stay tuned. In the next lecture, I'm going to show you how to go deeper into this. Leave comments as well in the comment section. So this is going to be 2 over 5. So we have solved x now and y. So maybe if you want to now play around, you know, in a lecture when you're having, in an exam, when you're having a good time with the exam, you want to show off. So this is where you show off now. I'm going to just call it show off. Show off meaning present your answers in a way of confidence. Why we have it, you can just write here y equals to 18 over 5. X, we just calculated, x equals to 2 over 5. Then you conclude. Thank you guys for tuning into my YouTube channel. Subscribe please for more problems in mathematics related. Ask me everything.